Welcome to the ERAZER XF28 AI Translation Earbuds Review, where we take a deep dive into the Bluetooth 6.0 wireless earphones equipped with advanced AI translation capabilities. Introducing the ERAZER XF28, true wireless headphones that combine the latest Bluetooth 6.0 connectivity with powerful AI translation for global communication. With unique ear clip design and smart LCD charging case, these earbuds are perfect for any activity. Discover what's inside the box with the XF28 earbuds and smart case, carrying strap, USB-C charging cable, user manual, and quality control pass. Follow the simple pairing process. Download the Sami app, open the case, and enjoy your XF28 earbuds. Experience the flexible ear clips that provide a snug fit during activities, along with the IPX4 waterproof rating, making them resistant to sweat and rain. Lightweight and skin-friendly materials ensure comfort during extended use. The charging case is a major highlight, featuring a full-color LCD display and touch controls that transform it into a powerful hub for managing your earbuds. Enjoy full media control, customize your sound, use remote functions, and personalize the display. The Xiaomi app offers key features like no sign-in required, a built-in AI assistant for quick information, and multiple translation modes to choose the best communication method for any situation. The XF28's core strength is its ability to facilitate real-time conversations in over 135 languages through several distinct and practical modes, including translation machine mode, dialogue mode, and AI assistant mode. The earbuds offer an advertised 8 hours of listening time on a single charge, with real-world usage confirming a reliable 6+ hours of continuous performance. The smart case extends the experience significantly, providing an additional 30+ hours of battery life. The audio performance is enjoyable and well-suited for everyday use, optimized for clear and pleasant sound, podcasts, videos, and travel. However, it lacks deep bass and is not ideal for audiophiles or open-ear designs. Who should buy these? Frequent travelers, business professionals, multilingual communities, and translation priority users will find the ERAZER XF28 earbuds perfect for navigating foreign countries, communicating across language barriers, and living in diverse linguistic environments.